Good morning to all of you. In today morning, hot day, concluding training workshop in library hall. I have going to deliver a very important and relevant topic, importance of physical education in modern life. Need not to say, we have experienced during the COVID and after COVID the importance of physical education and physical activities. There are so many times during the COVID, importance of immunity power of a man. We are the unique creature of God. We can use our body, use our mind, use our activities, positive way and good way, to be in healthy way. It is the demand of the time that we are living in the life of stress, anxiety, due to the industrialization, computerization and modernization, and our life became like a machine. We are living a fast life in which the body level is become less and less. We are living a luxurious life, leading a luxurious life in which our activities, mental, physical activities are being reduced day by day, and that's why we are in the grip of several diseases, several types of stress, anxiety, so that it is very important for each and everybody to think over why it is the history of physical education and the physical activities, sports. As for my opinion, when we came on the earth, the civilization as started, of man civilization started, we are able to, at that time, in another word, the stone lights is the conscious light बोला जाता है, और जब से when we have some developed sense, at that time the play and physical activities was going on. It is another matter that it was the form was different. As the growing day by day. As the other subject, the origin of is Greece, and no doubt, and it is not exception, that the origin of physical, in comprehensive way, physical activities and physical education is also originated from Greece. यूनान से ही इसका भी उद्गम स्थल माना जा सकता है. And more than in ancient history, Indian history, we also have a good illustration of physical activities and others playing phenomena. Playing is our human phenomena. From by birth till the death, we want to play. We want to keep ourselves fit and fine. And in that time, in seeing all the things, the scholars, research is every day going on, and the research day by day coming, and according to that, we have in advance, as and advance, but the history of physical education is started in India by one of the foreigners, Harry Buck, has been called the father of physical education and physical activities of India, and he was one of the founding members of International Olympic Committee, who was working in India for Olympic movement, and for his great efforts, India became able in the year 1882, in the year 1924, India became able to participate in Olympic from first time, and Harry Buck was the team manager of India. The importance of physical education is very realizing in India very late. Foreigners, जैसा सर ने कहा था, the view and the thinking of foreigners are so advanced that they imagine, they guess what is going to happen after 1 year, 2 years and 5 years. Foresighting eye जो होता है उनका, हम उस इम्पोर्टेंस को लेट आवर्स में समझते हैं, जानते हैं, और हमारे यहाँ उनके व्यूज़ को अडॉप्ट किया जाता है. When they explore their invention, the such a things in the field of sports, physical activities and other things. Similarly, but we find it, our government has also become anxious And in 1882, the first time in India, Indian Education Commission recommended the physical activities in the school curriculum. And what was the recommendation? Physical training promoted in the interest of youth by the encouragement of native games. नेटिव गेम्स से संबंधित है, स्टेट वाइज अलग अलग गेम का इम्पोर्टेंस होता है. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पंजाब में जाइए, यू विल फाइंड हॉकी एंड इम्पोर्टेंट वहाँ हॉकी का होता है. ऑल्दो नाउ अ डेज ईच एंड एवरी गेम हैज बीन प्रमोटेड देयर, एंड पंजाब एंड हरियाणा are the topmost player producer of different games, especially hockey. Neeraj Chopra he was from Punjab, and the Manpreet Singh and the female रिसेंट ओलंपिक पास्ट अवे जो हुआ है उसमें रानी रामपाल was the main hero, the captain of women hockey team, belongs also to Punjab. And so many things are to do or say about the physical education. And the importance of physical education is so each and everyone know the sports but cannot understand the importance of physical education. Physical education is that education that without which all our developments of and students of a man is not possible. If we want to create a all-round developments in the students or young persons, we have to follow the physical education system. Because why it is necessary? The importance of physical education, according to Charles Browser, physical education is an integral part of the total education. A total education process has its aim to develop physically, emotionally, and socially fit citizen through the medium of physical activities which have been selected with the view of realizing these outcomes. The importance, there are so many differences of scholars regarding the physical education. Lekin in my opinion, the physical education is that education in which a boy, a student and a person are trained physically, mentally, emotionally, and emotionally fit and fine. If you want to, and a student should be want to fresh and fine, you have to be come under the umbrella of physical education. The physical education has several branches like individual sports, athletics, games, combat, sporting activities, team activities, and yoga and Ayurveda. The importance of yoga is nothing to say. It is the yoga that saves us Indians, and the mortality rate of India during the COVID pandemic in comparison to the other countries, developed countries, where each and everything is were available, facilities were available, and through news and others papers, what facilities were available in our country, nothing to say. It is another thing that after happenings of that, we became aware, and several types of facilities now is available to face the impact of coming the different forms of COVID virus. Thing is to say, it is each and every one you are also feeling, experiencing that the importance of physical activities, so that we are living in such a fast life in which our survival is very difficult. Why it is so difficult? Because the luxurious life, the modern life, we are following the modern life. It is easy to say, or it is easy to go in luxurious life. But when we have to return in tedious life, we felt or we feeling great trouble from that platform to this platform. हम आरामदायक स्थिति में तो बहुत आराम से चले जाते हैं और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत एंजॉयमेंट लगता है, बट वी आर seeing the drawbacks of that luxurious life and the bad result, which is directly or indirectly affected our body. Several type of disease due to this life disease we are facing, but that's why we have to think. And now I will go to explain you some approaches of physical education. Approach is the main thing of any thought which is existing in society. What is the approach? This, first of all, the social approach. In social approach, how our society just looking or just giving point to the physical education. It is better thing to understand that if society say support the any things, any thinking, any thought, any activities, any, then we or our acceptance, our ability, our capability has been recognized. In all the things, to keep ourselves fit and fine, fresh, I think the willpower of a man is topmost. Whatever we have to do, first our willpower is necessary. Let the things, environment, facilities, each and everything are available. But until unless our will, then I cannot do anything in any field, in any walk of life, as per my opinion, my experience. It is the first thing in our mind. The first thing is willpower to face any type of challenges, in whether it is in a sports, whether it is in the field of other subject, in working area, in other field, but willpower is the main thing. As for example, Rani Rampal, the women hockey team captain, was एक टांगे वाले की लड़की थी. हिस्ट्री पेपर में छपा था. जो भी विनिंग कैंडिडेट थे या विनिंग में तो नहीं थे, लेकिन द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ इंडियन वीमेन हॉकी टीम, सर ने जैसा कहा था कि कुछ होते हैं जो कर सकते हैं लेकिन कर नहीं पाते, और जो करते हैं वो पा नहीं पाते. Sir was illustrated yesterday, and the same thing. He was from a poor background, but it is what within her. It is the only willpower of Rani Rampal that she has to become or a good hockey player. And finally, if the will is, कहा जाता है कि दिल में तमन्ना हो और जज्बा हो तो कुछ भी हर्डल नहीं आता. उस तमाम हर्डल को हम पार करते हैं और अपने अंजाम तक पहुंच ही जाते हैं. Another example, Hima Das. Hima Das, the Asian gold medalist in athletics. He was also from poor background, and she when he was practicing, when she was practicing, she has no money to buy a spike. स्पाइक होता है जो स्प्रिंट रनर के लिए बहुत ही एसेंशियल होता है. आफ्टर ऑल शी प्रैक्टिस्ड, शी नेवर leave the practice, and a day will come in the district meet. She showed their performance, and the district association provided her that spike shoe, and from there now she is working in sports field. तो विल पावर एक बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. इसके बगैर हम जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाते और न कर सकते. सेकंड, द फैमिलियर अप्रोच. फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, फैमिली अप्रोच क्या? Nowadays, each and every one, each family ready to send their girls for practicing in a sporting field. Whatever she likes. From 10 years ago, it was not possible for a girl, whether she has a lot of qualities to do or achieve in a sporting field, but guardians and were not allowing them due to some social evils of our society. But nowadays, each family, now maximum family send this ग्राउंड में बच्चों को भेज रहे हैं, अपनी बच्चियों को भेज रहे हैं without feeling any fearness, any doubt or any type of doubt that she will do like that, this, that, leaving all the things, and the girls students is also proving in that confidence. तो फैमिलियर अप्रोच भी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. रानी रामपाल जो थी, उसको टांगे से वहाँ से जो उसका नेटिव प्लेस था, वहाँ से उसका घर बहुत दूर, और उसको वहाँ से अपने टांगे पर बैठा के उसके पिताजी ले जाते. इट इज़ द ग्रेट थिंग. The guardian, the parents ready to fulfill the dream and providing each and every facilities. Although the family was not in position to provide such a facility, but it is the family support, moral support that boost up her to give her performance in a such a way. We are talking about her. It is the next है biological approach, hereditary approach, We know we born with different type of the qualities of and the strength of man to man vary करता है. A skill of also vary from man to man. Resistance power vary man to man, and that's why keeping all the things that is कहा जाता है we are living in democratic country. Complete equality. We are talking about the complete equality. It is not possible. When you are in the competition, one has to win and one has to defeat. And then the capacity of resistance and others strength, power, stamina, energy, these differ. That's why training differs. That's why the strategy differs. That's why one is becoming more in position to win and one is in about to runners. That's why. तो ये भी जो
कोविड के टाइम में फिजिकल एजुकेशन में तो कोई वर्क नहीं हुआ और ये स्टूडेंट के साथ साथ टीचर के लिए भी बेनिफिट है कैसे?
Yes, very nice question. Arises by you, sir. Sit down.
Thank you.
As I just before, you have not listened me properly. Just I have explained the things. There are so many branches of physical education, and the only one branch was free, because at that branch was yoga. The immunity power of yoga and the Ayurveda, the Ramdev Baba का जो कुछ टिप्स था, जैसे गिलोय पीना, तुलसी के पत्तों का, we are forgetting our original things and we are following the Western style of life, Western style of medicine. And that's why it is the yoga and Ayurveda which survive us, protect us, preserve us in that COVID time, and our immunity power ready to meet the challenge of that virus. Clear, sir?
Yes.
ठीक है. And so in whatever the age, whatever, हाँ बोलिए मैडम.
Sir, I have to ask that walking is a physical activity.
Yes.
Then how many kilometers a person need to walk to break down fats?
Very nice question and very important question, madam. Then sit down. I will try my best to clear your doubt. First, in the physical education, we look the age group, and the motor activities is physical education provided different type of activities गाइडोलेंस सिर्फ के लिए जो एक्टिविटीज होगा ओल्डर के लिए नहीं होगा, बट इट इज जनरली से एटलीस्ट दोज हु वॉक एटलीस्ट 1 kilometer or half an hour at least, he, she and others become able to keep ourselves fit and fine. But when they go in the older age, more than 40, 50 above, the 600 वाक बताया गया है, प्रोवाइडेड किया गया, जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए प्रोवाइडेड है. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू लुक और वी हैव टू सी द फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज प्रोग्राम और सेट करते हैं. तो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज प्रोग्राम के पहले हम एज देखते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट देन वी decide and program for their wellness and good health. Any doubt, madam? ठीक है. तो फिजिकल फिटनेस के लिए जो मोटर एक्टिविटीज का जो गाइडलाइंस है उसको अगर हम फॉलो नहीं करेंगे देन the result will be reversal. And that's why if a newcomer, they will face some problem for few days, but it is sure that after practice and practice and practice, he may be able to survive or active more or become a good health, become a healthy life. So next है environment. Environmental impact is also very important part for physical education. It is said Aristotle said, sir, some are born to be ruled and some are born to be ruled. But हेरिडिटरी का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ये भी है. मेजर ध्यानचंद के लड़के अशोक जी, तो अशोक कुमार मिडफील्डर हो गए और 1975 के जो वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया जीता था अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ अजीत पाल सिंह, एंड आफ्टर दैट his no family members become so popular in the sports. Now we are seeing we are in the living of scientific age where each and every day research is going on. We are living in such a scientific way where the test tube baby is produced, in which it is scientific research scholar said, sir will बताएंगे सर कि when we need, the scientists say that they use the genes of that type of genes which produce a good sports person. If the scientists say the genes decide the what we want, produce a doctor or a इंजीनियर और ए स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन और ए साइंटिस्ट, वो वैसे जीनों की तलाश में रहते हैं जेनेटिक फैक्टर के कारण, वैसे जीन्स को तलाश के और उसको टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी के द्वारा उनको उनकी कहते हैं कि हम डॉक्टर चाहेंगे तो डॉक्टर ही पैदा हो, बट ऑल द थिंग्स, कुछ भी कर लीजिए, एनवायरमेंट इज मेन थिंग। आपने डॉक्टर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के लिए उनको प्रोड्यूस कर दिया, ये ठीक है कि आपने यूज द वेरी गुड जीन फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ए चाइल्ड, और but if the environment is not available for their development, how can it be possible that the development or dream will be fulfilled? So that environment makes a man perfect. It is said, it is scientific proof that 20% personal abilities contribute करता है, and 80% environment makes everybody who wants to become a good sportsman, good doctor, good lawyer, what one she has dream, she has to follow, or she has go to that environment.
वर्तमान जीवन शैली में स्वास्थ्य पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ रहा है?
Please hold the lesson. Hold the lesson.
Very good question. And current topic.
1 minute. Again, raise your question, sir.
वर्तमान जीवन शैली में स्वास्थ्य पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ रहा है?
Thank you, sir. I will try my best to clear your confusion, and as I before explained that the today's life is luxurious life, westernized life, and the Indian lifestyle we forget, and that's why several types of problems we have to face, whether in the form of disease, whether in the form of obesity, whether in the form of cholesterol, BP, hypertension, and so others. Why it is? Our life is not in routine way. Our life is not in routine way. Routine life हमारा नहीं है. There is no time to think. There is no time to sleep. There is no time to eat. There is no time to move, and that's why this happens. When your life, our
Call to witness, sir, please.
Thank you, sir. A very good moment. एक अच्छा समय है फिजिकल एजुकेशन के बारे में। और ये प्राचीन काल से ही हम सभी जानते हैं कि प्राचीन काल वैदिक काल में अगर आप देखेंगे तो वैदिक काल में ही फिजिकल एजुकेशन का कंसेप्ट, उसका इम्पोर्टेंस, उसका रोल क्या होता है, यह बताया जा रहा था और बताया गया है। आज का सीबीएसई करिकुलम में ये इंक्लूड हुआ है जब से हमारा देश आज़ाद वगैरह हुआ है। बाकी सारे लोग जानते हैं कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन में क्या महत्व है। आज सारे लोग कोई ना कोई बीमारी से ग्रसित है, चाहे वो यंगर जनरेशन हो, एल्डर जनरेशन हो, कोई भी जनरेशन हो। इवन टीचर्स लोग बैठे हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग रोग से ग्रसित हैं, रोगों को दबा के बैठे हैं। और रोग को अगर दूर करना है तो उसका सबसे बेहतर और फ्री इलाज है योग। तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ लिखते रहता हूँ, शांत बैठने से बढ़िया है कुछ ना कुछ करिए, बीमारी दूर भगाइए। और सबसे बढ़िया बीमारी दूर भगाने का मुझे लगा और फिजिकल इम्पोर्टेंस हुआ। सर मनोज सर बतला रहे थे फिजिकल इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है और हैप्पीनेस होना भी जरूरी है। साथ ही साथ में योग का होना, योग रखता है निरोग, सभी जानते हैं। तो मैंने उस पर कुछ पंक्तियाँ लिखी हैं जो कि फिजिकल इम्पोर्टेंस की ओर इशारा करता है। तो मैं उन चंद पंक्तियों से मैं इसका आगाज करना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद सर। प्रातः काल उठकर करो खुली हवा में योग, राजा रंक फकीर सब रहते सदा निरोग। इसलिए योग करना बहुत जरूरी है और निश्चित तौर पर, और ताली बजाना भी एक प्रकार का व्यायाम ही है। और जो कि फिजिकल इम्पोर्टेंस, ये बेटर टिप्स है, इट इज ए बेटर टिप। अगर आप निरोग रहना चाहते हैं तो हमेशा ताली नहीं बजाना है, उसका अर्थ नकारात्मक एक मैंने लिखा है कितना अजीब है ये फलसफा जिंदगी का। ध्यान देंगे धीरे सर और आपका मतलब आशीर्वाद चाहिए। कितना अजीब है ये फलसफा जिंदगी का। बीमारियां सिखाती हैं, स्वस्थ जिंदगियां क्या होती हैं। वाह। बीमारियां सिखाती हैं स्वस्थ जिंदगियां क्या होती है। अब बीमारी सिखा रही है, अब बीमारी जब होता है तब समझ में आता है अच्छा निरोग रहना बहुत जरूरी है। एक पंक्ति और कहना चाहेंगे कि 10 मिनट के योग से सदा रहोगे मस्त। 10 मिनट के योग से सदा रहोगे मस्त। योग निरंतर जे करे रोग सभी हो जाए पस्त। इसलिए योग भी करते रहें और हमेशा निरोग रहें। और द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन is a great importance at present era, present situation। अंत में हम यह कहना चाहेंगे कि जीना है यदि आपको लंबा और निरोग, सुबह शाम करते रहें योग। धन्यवाद। थैंक
यू।
Many thanks. Vinay ji,
Sir, what
you have,
my question is there.
yes,
Again, visit there, sir. Again, visit there.
आइए ना सर,
Again, visit there, sir. There is better place for recording, sir.
know that 21st century is marching towards professionalism, and the people in general and the government is particular is trying to evolve the new job opportunities. And in the present time, most of the talented sportsmen or sports personality they try to get away from the sports career. So I want to know from my respected teacher that what is the scope of career opportunities in the field of physical education.
very nice question sir, and important question. I was just coming the government approach. Government approach towards physical education and physical activities, sportic activities. As we know, in Punjab, Haryana and other states has already created post और rewarded the एक लेवल के बाद rewarded the sports person in a job, government job, directly without any competition, written or viva. In 205, the Indian government of Bihar has also made a resolution to appoint directly those sports persons who have the meritorious list and several types of in each and every game. 5 sports person, outstanding sports person who win glory for a state, they will be directly appointed into the government job, and several sports person of Bihar is enjoying the government job. So the field is open for all in a sporting area. Just you have to prove yourself, your ability, your standard up to that mark, from where the job is free. So this encourage nowadays. If you go, as the madam knows, each and every day I want to go, or I go to the National Stadium of Rajendra College for my physical fitness, and there several types of girls and boys are making practice for the sporting activities, job activities and others activities. Career, sirs, you have raised the question of career in physical education. Sir, there are vast and huge career of physical education. If it depends upon us what type of career we are going to choose. First career is to become a good sportsman, which had been already explained. You can become yourself a good officiating, a good teacher, physical education teacher. These all the things will help when I am teaching in the classroom, the physical students, they are very anxious, and each and every one wants to be a engineer or doctor, PCB, PCM, यही उनका ख्वाहिश है. And this physical education के प्रति जो उनका नजरिया होता है, इट इज ए गेम, ये खेल है, हम खेल लेंगे, इसको पढ़ लेंगे. बट when they will go in depth of the physical education, they have to understand the quality and the relevance of physical education. Physical education became the symbol of development and development. Just look, those developed countries, their performance of a sports person and the medal tallying and the undeveloped country. So, in my opinion, it is became the symbol of physical education, became a symbol of developed and undeveloped country. The developed country, the medal tally देखिए, अमेरिका, चाइना, रसिया, फ्रांस, their population are very. It means it does not matter that the talent is not available in India. Talent is available in India, but nobody is going to recognize the talent of in initial stage. In initial stage, so that they need at the initial stage, and our government, our association, our society help at that time when he became at least state level, district level or कमिश्नरी लेवल पर वो अपना लेवल और इम्पोर्टेंस दिखाता है, then while in developed country from very beginning in childhood they provide the different type of sporting tools and they take the interest. They recognize the interest of the child for different sports, vary man to man, child to child, and from there they recognizing the interest of the child. From there they start to training about from that level, so that at the age of 18, 19, he become a good gymnast for their country. हमारे यहाँ so it is very sir tips हम बता रहे हैं. In concluding, there are some tips as my younger brother Vinay has given. The short टाइम में आप अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए, फाइन रखने के लिए, फ्रेश रखने के लिए, निरोग रखने के लिए योगा का हेल्प ले सकती हैं. If you have time, you have to spend, just develop a willpower in yourself that in 24 hours I have to devote only at least 1 hour for our health, physical fitness and freshness. And this way we became able to overcome the several types of lifestyle diseases and such type जैसे रूटीन लाइफ लीड करने पर ट्राई योर सेल्फ बेस्ट टू लीव ए गुड लाइफ. लेट आवर्स में हम नहीं सोएं, टाइमली हम सो जाए। टाइमली अगर नहीं सोएंगे, एटलीस्ट 4 and 5 hours must one has to sleep to refresh, because when we do activities, type of activities anyway, any field, our cell has been broken, and when the cell is revived only 2 times, when we will be, our body will be in rest position, then the cell become revived to fight, to move and to work further more. And if it is not proper rest, have you proper rest, proper sleep, proper diet, then you have to face lot of problem. So that I will, being the teacher of physical education, I would like to request all of you that still nothing is due. Still today, just determine yourself that we have to keep ourselves fit physically, mentally, emotionally, and if those, thank you for you all of, and thank you, many thanks to our honorable principal sir, who has just given me a chance to deliver my lecture on this important and relevant topic of physical importance in our modern age. Thank you.